Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Smooth Love Mixture SLP especially is determined to in a real sense arrive at an essentially normal cost of $101 toward 2025 in a fundamentally significant manner's end. With the extremely current cost of $0.45 in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir really holds its ground in the market in an unpretentious way. Smooth Love Elixir SLP generally is expected to explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $931. Constantly 2030 in a truly significant manner. Experts project a bullish pattern for especially Smooth Love Mixture in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $482 mark in a by and large huge manner. Long-haul examination recommends that by and large Smooth Love Mixture cost might actually flood to $579 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $551 and $635, or so they generally thought. Starting around the 1 walk 2024 really Smooth Love Elixir generally is exchanging at $445 in term of its last rate with the value change of 13% in most recent 60 minutes, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. SLP generally has an especially complete market cap of $184,553,885 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $30,252, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. This in every practical sense makes most certainly Smooth Love Elixir SLP really positioning at 303 in the digital currency market in a sort of large manner. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the sort of Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2024, what will Smooth Love Mixture truly be worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is especially Smooth Love Mixture a genuinely wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in every way that really matters in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will SLP cost essentially outperform its untouched fundamentally high in an unobtrusive manner? These, essentially, are our genuinely Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP's future, or so they for the most part thought. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value expectation 2024 as per the extremely Smooth Love Mixture gauge cost and specialized examination in 2024 that SLP cost basically is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of normal value level of $965, the normal pretty least value worth of kind of Smooth Love Mixture toward the finish of the very current year ought to fundamentally be $963, which in every practical sense is very critical. Besides, SLP can really arrive at a most extreme value level of $972. SLP value estimate February 2024. The especially Smooth Love Mixture conjecture for February 2024 expects that the SLP may for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $947 with a really least cost of around $942 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the typical value SLP can explicitly stretch around $946 for February, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024 sort of Smooth Love Mixture cost explicitly is figured to especially arrive at a particularly the most minimal cost of $946 in a sort of large manner. The SLP cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $949 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $248 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir value expectation April 2024. The cost of kind of Smooth Love Mixture especially is certainly anticipated to truly reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of $948 in April 2024. So these generally are our very Smooth Love Mixture cost forecasts for SLP's future. The SLP cost could explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $951 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $955 all through 2024. So with the really current cost of $945, kind of Smooth Love Mixture truly holds its ground on the lookout. Smooth Love Mixture value expectation May 2024. Smooth Love Elixir cost is supposed to generally reach between $950 to $953 in May 2024. while the genuinely normal cost of SLP for the May truly remains around $NAD52 smooth love elixir value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the especially greatest cost for pretty smooth love mixture could in every practical sense stretch around $56 in a kind of large manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in June 2024 certainly is $52 with a typical cost of $54, which truly demonstrates the way that discussing the genuinely normal value SLP can generally stretch around $6 for February in a for the most part enormous manner. Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation July 2024. The cost for truly smooth love elixir in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $53 and $58, exhibiting how truly smooth love mixture SLP value expectation 2024 as per the smooth love elixir gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the SLP cost for the most part is supposed to fundamentally cross a really normal value level of $65, the normal kind of least value worth of by and large smooth love mixture toward the finish of the kind of current year. Ought to basically be $63, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $55, exceptionally further appearance how most certainly smooth love mixture a very wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. SLP value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of commonly smooth love mixture essentially is gauged to fundamentally be at around a truly least worth of $55. Or so they truly thought. The really smooth love elixir value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of $61 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $57 in USD. So with the very current cost of $945, certainly smooth love mixture holds its ground on the lookout, which basically is genuinely critical. SLP value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of really smooth love elixir generally is estimated to be at around an exceptionally least worth of $58, so the SLP cost could truly arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $949, with the especially normal expected cost around $48 in a significant manner. The in every way that really matters, smooth love elixir value worth can arrive at a limit of $63 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $59 in an in every practical sense significant way. Smooth love mixture SLP value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of really smooth love elixir explicitly is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a typical cost of $62. While the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $66 and a by and large least of $6, or so they certainly thought. Smooth love mixture value expectation November 2024. Sort of smooth love elixir cost by and large is supposed to sort of reach between $62 to $69 in November 2024, while the truly normal cost of SLP for the November really remains around